I'm right. Alrighty. Electric Energy. Drifloon. Citadel. I love Citadel. Varoom. Magikarp. I love that Magikarp art. That's great. Kilowattrel. Greedent. Oh, I like that Greedent artwork. Crocodile. Reverse Hollow Vitality Band. Reverse Hollow Go-Goat. And we are going to end with... Oh, look at that Gyarados EX, baby. Terraform. What a beautiful card, dude. That is excellence personified. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that card. Chef's kiss. Let's go. Scarlet and Violet Booster Bundle is treating me very, very well, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. If you want to find me,